Day Trading Education by Nexgen Software Services, a Fibonacci add-on for NinjaTrader's platform. Please read the disclaimer. All right, so we've been through the first section on our tracking sheet with our trigger lines. And again, having the correct 14-2 chart trigger line look is going to be key for you. The second column that you're going to be tracking for yourself is you're going to be tracking entry areas that were provided by the 14-2 chart. So if there was an entry area, support or resistance, such as Fibonacci support or resistance, mid-band support or resistance, or if the trigger lines helped you, you're going to denote that inside of this section for your trade tracking sheet. So here's an example. Again, we talked about this in the prior video, but here's a transition and both triggers are crossed down. In this situation, there was no area right here that actually helped you from the 14-2 chart. Maybe the trigger lines, but this is one where fibs and mid bands from a smaller chart is going to be more advantageous for you. And again, remember what we talked about? Why did the market turn here? It turned because of Fibonacci resistance. Then why were we waiting for the trigger lines to transition and have two of them down? So again, during this pullback, again, you're looking for either the bottom of trigger lines, synthetic trigger lines, or more importantly, probably fibs and mid bands from your smaller chart here. So again, when you're tracking your trades, this would be, no area, so just leave it blank. Then as you transition, you can see when you took this short trade, and again, remember the number one look that we had? Number one look, what's the resistance area that was helpful during this look? And again, you can see pretty clearly that the magenta midband was helpful for the short trade with this look. And again, look, we went down and then we transitioned, and then as we roll forward, in your tracking sheet, this one had a plethora of things. I mean, we had a yellow 1-to-1, we had fibs, we had trigger lines, we had mid bands that were green. So again, this is one where you would add in quite a bit of information, a lot of help. And again, look, the number one look, also fibs plus mid bands plus 1-to-1s. I mean, that's really the mother lode of all trades. And again, look, this is a really, really good look. We have small triggers inside, but more importantly, we broke Fibonacci resistance. So in this trade, when you're documenting why you would do this trade, this would be fibs, blue Fibonacci areas helping you out. And again, that's where, again, very simple, very easy. What lines from the 14-2 chart helped your trade out? That's all you need to put in this section.